Hello guys, this is your mentor, and in this today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a professional looking business card or visiting card without using any graphics designing software. I'm using Microsoft Office 2019 to create this one. Open Microsoft Word and click blank document. Ensure the page size is A4 and page is in portrait mode. After that, set the margin with the minimum value. Now I need to create labels to make ready-made printable file after design complete. Click on Mailings button, Start Mail Merge, Labels, choose product number and details. Here all fields are already filled with value. This height and width are the size of card, and number across and number down value represent row and column. Then click OK. Our label is ready. Now select all by pressing Ctrl+A. Now click on Home menu and set border. Now I insert the reference image which is designed in professional graphics designing software. So click on Insert button and click Picture, then browse it and then insert. Now I will take another blank page to place the reference image. Now follow the exact steps to design. Take a rectangle shape and drag into the position. Now set the color. And take another rectangle shape. Now I am giving the exact color through RGB value. Forget to remove the outlines, so removing now. Now take another shapes of 6-headed circle. And remove the outline and set the color. Now I will design this shape through Edit Points features. Now this shadow we need to design. Go to Format Shape. Now choose Outer Shadow and adjust shadows. Here shadow is ready, but need to hide unnecessary shadow. So copy the shape. Hold Ctrl and move the mouse to copy. Now copy this one and remove the shadow and place it into the position. Our base design is ready. Now take rounded rectangle shape. By holding Shift key, drag to make it square. Now rotate 45 degree. Remove the color and make it thicker. Now set the color and drag into the position. Now take text box and drag here. Now input the name. Choose the size and font. Now remove the fill and outline color. Set the font color as white. Now click Align Center. Copy the text box and write this text. Now select font and reduce the size. Some little space required here. Now copy the text box again. And write the name. Then select the font and write the surname. Do the same. Copy. Write the text. I don't have the same font in my system, hence using other fonts. Now I design this part. Now insert line shape and drag like this and set the color. Now take another line shape increase its weight, and set the color. So I need these icons. Go to insert, then click icons. Here I need location icon, then mark it, then search envelope, mark it, then choose cursor and telephone and click insert. Right click on the icon, click wrap text and choose in front of the text. To change the layout, do the same with every icon. Now place it and set color as white. Do the same. Now copy the text box and adjust its size and fonts. Now choose the font. Now I am copying from it. Write the text. Copy again. Write the text. Copy again and write website address. Now I will design our last part. Now I'm going to take this shape. Now drag like this. Now rotate. Now click on edit points and follow the steps. Here it's complete. Now set the color and remove the outline. Now place this. Here our design is fully ready. Now we have to update other cells. So go to mailings and then click update labels. Select all. Move the middle margin option. Adjust the gap. Click on layout. Increase the height. Now remove all the borders and it's ready to print.